2082 question paper, subject, Microprocessor. Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing the last hour preparation for Microprocessor CSC167 2082 exam of Tribhuvan University. If you're watching this before your exam, then you're in the right place because these are the 100% important and most repeated questions from the past 6 years. Let's start with section A long questions. These questions come almost every year, so don't skip them. 1 instruction cycle, machine cycle, and T-states always with the timing diagram of LDA or STA instruction. 2 architecture of 8086 or 80386 microprocessor, learn the labeled block diagram and function of each unit. 3 assembly programs, such as finding largest number, sum of array, or factorial. Practice at least programs properly. Now for section B short questions, which carry 5 marks each. Here's what you must revise in your last hour. Addressing modes of 8085, signal and demultiplexing process. Interrupts, vectored, maskable, non-maskable. DMA operation, 8255 PPI ports and modes. Descriptor and memory segmentation 80286. RS-232 serial communication. And short notes on flags, instruction groups, and DMA. So that's your last hour microprocessor guide. Revise all block diagrams neatly, memorize 2 assembly programs, and review short notes on flags and DMA. These questions have the highest probability of appearing to 100% tested from past papers. If this helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more last hour revision videos. Good luck for your exam, you've got this.